The Kia navigation system can help you find nearby points of interest, or POIs, and you can save your favorite places. Here's how to find POIs. On the infotainment system home screen, press the Map widget, then the search icon. On the search screen, press Nearby POIs. The POI screen shows categories you can search for. This includes things like cafes, convenience stores, pharmacies, parking, and more. From the POI categories screen, select a category from the list. Select a desired location, and select Route. You can add stops or POIs that are located along your set route, near your current position, or near your destination. Press the menu icon, Nearby Info, Nearby POIs, select a category, then select a POI from Route, Current Position, or Destination. Here's how you can save your current location or a frequently visited place as one of your favorite places. On the map screen, press the search icon and select Saved Places. In Favorites, you can add up to 5 places, or you can add additional destinations in Saved Places. Another way to save a destination, from the map screen, press the search bar, press Nearby POIs, select your category, select your destination, press Save Location, select where you'd like to save it, and press Save. You can also edit saved places by pressing the Edit button next to the item you want to change. After changing the information, press Save. To delete a saved place, press the trash icon, then select the item and press Delete. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or your Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching!